last Friday, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning to get ready for the train to the Swedish Book Fair. And the Swedish Book Fair is one of the biggest literary and author festivals here in Sweden. And it's my third time going. I decided to take the early morning train, so I had taken time off from work on Friday to go to the book fair. And the train left at 5:30 in the morning. I took the fast train, so I was in Gothenburg around 9:30. And so at the train, I had the first few hours, I actually tried to fall asleep again because I had gotten up so early and I knew it would be a really, really long day. But I could barely sleep. And then I got some coffee and did some writing. I started planning out a new nonfiction book that I want to write. Maybe during NaNoWriMo. I haven't really decided yet. But I should start planning soon because it's already October. Time flies. Just arrived in Gothenburg, and I'm going to look for the bus to the book fair now. It's 4:09 in the morning, and excited. And when I got to the Gothenburg book fair, the line outside was insane. I've never seen anything like it. It kept going around and around and around. I guess it's because they had extra security this year. Probably since it was Joyce Carol Oates was there visiting the festival, and a lot of other things. I stood in line, and then I got in, met up with a few writer friends, and started going to different talks. Some of them that I had saved, some of them that my friends had saved, and it was just so amazing meeting all these famous authors, talking to other writers, hanging out with book lovers. I love it. And during the evening, we took a glass of bubbly at Crime Time and listened to another talk. And after that, we went to the Book Fair by Night. The Book Fair by Night is basically talks and stuff as well, but they also had silent disco and stuff, and it was just a blast dancing the night away with my friends. At this stage of the night, I was so tired because I had gotten up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So then I got home, got to bed, and slept until maybe 8 o'clock or, 7:30. I woke up, had some hotel breakfast, and then I got ready. So it's the start of day 2 of the Swedish Book Fair, and as you can see, it's amazing weather outside. So I'm actually going to walk to the book fair. It's about 20 to 30 minute walk, and so excited for day 2. I can't wait. By some blessing, it wasn't actually raining. Gothenburg is known for its rain, so I felt really lucky when I saw there was sunshine outside. So I decided to walk over to the book fair, and that was fun too. Just getting some air, getting some sunlight, enjoying a little bit being outside. When I got to the book fair, there were actually a few friends of mine that had book talks and some signings. So I went to all of those, and here were some of the books that I bought, all signed copies. This is a horror book that I bought by Elena Kangas. This is a dark fantasy, romantasy, I think, by Stina Runqvist. Can't wait to read this one. She's a dear friend of mine. And then I bought Ada Martell by Christina Darling. Also, this is book number 2 in the series, so I can't wait to read that one either. I bought book number 2 by Linnea Engman, also a fantasy book that I can't wait to read. And last but not least, I bought this romance novel by C.N. Pearson, passion. So yeah, those were the books that I bought, signed, and yeah, the signed copies that I bought at the book fair. And yeah, I guess like one of the greatest things about going to the book fair is just meeting up with all these amazing writers from, you know, from here on YouTube, from Instagram, from TikTok, and from other things that I've gotten to know like during the year, because we all post a lot, we all discuss things that has to do with writing, we all read a lot, and you know, it's amazing. I met so many people, took so many photos with people who recognized me from online, and yeah, it was amazing. And I met some readers too that liked my book, so that felt so good. Just being able to talk to everyone, and yeah. And during Saturday, at Saturday evening, I went to a Instagram meetup for authors at a Mexican place. You know, we drank margaritas, had some Mexican food, and just talked about writing, talked about books. And it was amazing. I had so much fun. And at the Sunday, I had actually booked an early train home, which I kind of regret now in retrospective. But, you know, it's such a busy day that I couldn't change the ticket, unfortunately. So I got home fairly early, and at the train, I tried to sleep as much as possible because I was so tired from, you know, meeting everyone, being social. But the Bokmässan, the Swedish book fair, was amazing. It was one of the best weekends so far this year. I loved it. And next year, I'm thinking I'm going to go all weekend, you know, all 4 days maybe, instead of just 2. And yeah, I'm experimenting a little bit with the format here today. This is more of a vlog kind of post, and it's very different from what I usually do. So please let me know in the comments if this style of, you know, if you like the vlog format, or if you prefer me to make like educational videos, or if you want me to do some sort of mix of both. I have a lot of great stuff coming up for you guys, so can't wait to talk to you soon. Bye.